The Toyota Dream Car project is the result of a partnership that we have here between the Center for Innovation in STEM Education at California State University, Dominguez Hills, and Toyota.
Every year, Toyota supports the Toyota Dream Car Art Contest. And it actually started in Japan in 2004. And in 2012, we in the United States had the opportunity of supporting the contest.
My name is Maritza Trujillo. My major is cellular and molecular biology. This is my 4th year at Dominguez Hills. Toyota offered us this opportunity to create these cars, and we went forward with the project.
We've been working on this project for a little bit over 8 months. We really have put a lot of effort and time into what we did.
This Toyota Dream Car Art Contest was really a dream project for us as well, because we were able to provide our students and engage them in such a brilliant project.
It started with really trying to understand the voice of the customer. We took an opportunity to bring in the students who won the contest last year and meet with them to understand their vision and introduce them to CSU Dominguez Hills technicians.
At first we're shocked, that these kids came up with these drawings. First we were oh no, they had help and everything, but then when we got to meet with the students, we were just shocked, a 12-year-old or a 6-year-old drew this, and it was amazing.
My reaction when I first saw the drawing was, where do I start? Because it had so many small details. With the help of my group members, everything came along very well.
So our team was tasked with or challenged to create those replicas of the winning artworks.
The biggest challenge, I'd say, really started in the beginning with our prototypes. It's a matter of getting this 2D drawing and creating a completely 3-dimensional object.
Some of the equipment I had to learn for this project was 3D scanning and laser cutting. My goal was to do as much as the artist had drawn out. Another part was putting in our own imagination into what would look best for the car.
What makes me proud is being able to not only say that I have something that's in a museum, the Peterson, but also to say that this is something that I really worked hard on and I worked for, and to see it come out so well and be received so well really is something I'm very proud of.
Being able to take this curriculum or this content or these ideas into the communities that maybe wouldn't normally have this access to this opportunity, there's endless opportunities with this partnership to be able to tap into the foundation that we built together.
A lot of the drawings and models you'll see in the installation this year are very environmentally friendly designs, things that recycle or clean up trash, and those are right in line with the sort of ideas we want students thinking about.
Seeing the face of the artist and their reaction as to how we took their drawing into something 3D printed and seeing all the details, I think that was the best thing.
Thank you to the Fab Lab team and to also Toyota for giving us this opportunity.
From the bottom of my heart, I want to say to the Toyota team, thank you on behalf of all of us here at Cal State Dominguez Hills.